Hello, and let's see how easy it is to attach actions to Spine animation events using Spine Event Invoker. First, let's add a game object that has a skeleton animation component. Select the animation you want to use. If needed, you can also select a specific skin. Below, you'll see a timeline slider. If the animation has any events added to it, they will appear here. You can also preview the animation directly from this window. On the right side, you'll see the animation event name. If multiple events are triggered on the same frame, you can select the one you want. After selecting the desired event, click Add Binding. A Unity event field will appear, where you can add any actions you want to trigger when the event occurs. And that's it. The actions have been successfully added and are ready to be triggered by the Spine event. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and good luck with your projects.